Hey everyone, welcome. My name's Katie, and today I'm going to take you through a copy and paste tutorial in Microsoft Excel. So first things first, we're going to open up our Excel workbook. Here you have it. I have a blank one open. We're going to click simply into cell A1, and we're going to type whatever word or whatever thing we need to copy. So for an example, I'll type the word apple. And I'll hit enter to just get off the cell within my own workbook. And then in order to copy, there's two ways we can go about this. So the first one is you can click into the cell with a left click on your mouse, and then you can right click, which brings up a menu, and you can copy it right here. So you can select this, copy, and you should see that a box highlights the cell and has a moving thing going around it, showing you that this is a cell that was selected. Then we can go to whichever cell that we want to paste this value into. So I'll do C1. You can click in the cell and then you'll right click again, which brings up that menu again, and you can paste here under paste options. Now there's multiple paste options which we can get into, but we're just going to select the P for paste right now. And there you have it. Now a more simple and efficient way, and my favorite way to copy and paste. So first things first, I'll get off that cell. So I want to copy cell A1 again. So I'm going to click into the cell, and I'm going to select on my keyboard first Control, so it should be CTRL on your keyboard, and then the letter C for cat. So I hit that, and then the box highlighting the cell again will pop up, showing me that that is the cell that was copied. Then I'll go to, let's say, A4. I can click into the cell, and then I will hit Control, so CTRL, and then V for VIX. And there you have it. I copied and pasted with a shortcut on my keyboard. When you're dealing with a ton of data, this is a super efficient way to help reduce time and make things move along a lot quicker when you need to copy and paste. You can also do a mass copy and paste. So I'm going to delete that last apple, and I'll just put orange and banana. And then I'm going to select all three cells with my mouse. I'll start in A1 and drag my mouse down to A3. I'm going to select, or on my keyboard, I'm going to type Control C. And then let's go into C1. And I'm going to hit Control V on my keyboard. And there you have it. So you could do thousands of lines of data and Control C and Control V to copy and paste this data. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And then if you have any formulas you'd like me to review, please put that in the comments section so I know what type of content I can build for you. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.